Mush here. So, for our project inspired, our clay project that's inspired for April Fool's Day, we're going to make a little chattering little teeth, okay? I'm sure you've seen those before, all right? So all you're going to need today, oil clay, clay tools if you got them, and some googly eyes for extra fun, all right? So I'm going to start off with red. I rip some off, and I'm going to round the tops like this, okay? Just like this, and then I'm making the mouth, okay? Just like this. Okay, so I'm rounding it out like that, okay? So we got the big mouth, okay? Next, we're gonna take some white, and we're gonna roll out some coils like this, and this is gonna be our teeth, okay? Now, it's always good to test it out and put it in gently to see if it fits, and luckily for me, it fits. But if yours doesn't fit, then just add a little more clay to your white and make sure it fits, all right? And I'm gonna do that again, all right? For the bottom teeth, okay? I was really thinking hard, what could we do for a clay project that embodies the spirit of April Fool's Day? And I immediately thought of like the chattering teeth. I'm sure you've seen them before, and if you haven't, look them up. You wind it up, and then they dance around, and they get like that. Okay. All right. So now we got the teeth. All right, and we're gonna keep it open like that. All right, a little bit. Okay. Next, we're gonna take a different color. I'm using orange. You can use whatever colors you want. Okay, and we're gonna make big flat feet, okay? All right, so I'm gonna use some of the orange clay, and I'm gonna make some thick coils like this because it's gotta hold up our mouth, all right? The chattering mouth, okay? And if you make them too thin, it won't be able to stand up on its own, all right? So I'm gonna stick these on the bottom, just like this, okay? I'm gonna stick them on, and then and do the best that I can to like make sure they're on really good, okay? And then I'm gonna take my orange clay, and then I'm gonna make a big foot, okay? So I'm just molding it, okay? You can look at a picture of a big foot like this. And then don't forget to add the toes, okay? It's very triangular, the foot, okay? And then I'm gonna take some clay, give it some toes, and then you start with the big toe, and then the other toes, as we all know, are not as big as the big toe, like this. So we just stick it on. And if you don't wanna do the toes, you don't have to, you know, it's just an extra touch, you know, to make it look funny or, you know, make it look like an actual foot, okay? So I just rolled up little balls like that, okay? And then I'm gonna attach this one foot like that, okay? And then I'm gonna do the other foot, okay? So I'm gonna mold it just like I did, but I'm gonna go the other way because this is the left foot and our feet curve a different way on each foot. Okay, so then I'm going to make the big toe again, like this, and then make the little toes. I like the toes because I think it makes it like a little more funny. Because it's like, look at those toes. I don't know. It's like the old saying. It's all within the details. Okay, so I'm gonna add these toes, and then we're gonna add the foot. And then one more toe, like right there on the end. Okay, so then I'm gonna attach the feet, okay, just like that. Give them really big feet. Oh, this looks great. Okay, so there we go. Now you could stop here, but I would recommend getting some googly eyes, and you can just stick them in the top like this. So then you can imitate it, and then the googly eyes shake and shimmer. All right? So there you go. There's our funny, walking, chattering teeth. Okay? And like I always tell you, you can use whatever colors you want. But I just chose to go with the classic look of the classic chattering teeth. So with that being said, I would love to see your chattering teeth clay project. Send us in a picture to MrMushMakes.com or send it to our email. I would love to share your artwork with the world. And yeah, so just send it in and we'll post it and we'll share your art. All right. So with that being said, I'll see you next time. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us out in the long run. All right, I'll see you next time. Peace.